Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Drupal on Windows Server 2019. As I mentioned before, there are few requirements before you install Drupal. Today, I'm going to use MAMP stack for the demo, Microsoft OS, Apache Web Server, MySQL database, and PHP as backend language. Okay, let's begin. First, I created a clone from our 2019 server image. After I log into the server, you can download Drupal from its website. I downloaded the Composer Ready package. Also, I downloaded the all-in-one MAMP stack. Let's begin to install. First, let's install the MAMP stack. Okay, now MAMP stack is already successfully installed in our Windows Server 2019. Next, we need to do some configuration. First, let's take a look at our localhost. There's nothing running, and we're going to start the server. And we're going to check the website. Okay, the website is actually running right now. It's running at localhost MAMP. And now we need to modify the database. And we're going to use phpMyAdmin to create a database for the demo. After we created this database, next we need to install Drupal. It's very easy. We just copy the folder. This is what I downloaded from the website. Then I'm going to look for the Apache folder. It's called htdocs. So we're going to delete this folder and paste the Drupal folder into the MAMP directory. Now, after we copy the full folder to the MAMP stack, we need going to rename it to the htdocs. And right now, let's try again. Localhost. But this time, we are going to add a Drupal here. Now, we need to configure and install Drupal on these sites. First, we choose the language, English as default. Next, I'm going to choose standard here. Then, this page will show the requirements needed to install Drupal. And the warning here, we just ignore it first. And continue anyway. And now, do you remember the database we just created? It's called demo data. And username default as root, password root, and continue. And next one, just finish configure our site. And save and continue. Okay, now the Drupal demo is already deployed, and Drupal